Mhm.
All right, Andrew, thank you so much for joining us as we talk about different apps. So please give us a quick go on how Squiggle works for digital storytellers.
Well, thank you so much, Baldwin. It is truly an honor and a privilege to be here today. I'm thrilled to Squiggle for Windows 10. My name is Andrew Herkert. I am the head of growth here, and we'll just jump right in with some of our key features. Squiggle's top features as a cloud-based storytelling application include text-to-video, interactive video, and our native Teams integration. And so what that really means is we are enabling students, faculty, teachers, educators worldwide, and end users in the corporate landscape to become storytellers where they would usually send reports or just text. Now they can quickly squiggle it. So here I'm going to jump straight into the demo and show a quick development of a story as if I was quickly writing a story about Sir Isaac Newton here, right? So you can see I've entered this script where Sir Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, and the legend has it that he was sitting under an apple tree, and that's how he discovered gravity. So the first thing I do is I enter that script, then I go over here and I have picked my audio. So there's an automated voiceover here I can choose of many voices. Then I'm actually going to choose the keywords. So this keyword choice is done by the artificial intelligence engine. The point here is that our natural language processing is actually choosing these images and building the storyboard on my behalf. Again, to recap, the text to video feature is what drives the Squiggle engine, rapidly condensing the production pipeline. That makes all students, all teachers, all faculty and staff, and even corporate learners and educators uh, truly storytellers in place of what could be a static presentation or simply a written out word processed report. Now, with the click of this button, with just squiggling it, one can quickly and easily create this format or genre of presentation. So for more information, anyone can attend our website at squigglit.com, squiglit.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and back to you, Baldwin.
Thank you so much, Andrew, for joining. Appreciate it.